Hey guys, my name is Reda and welcome back to Atlas QA. Today we will dive into one of the hottest topics in tech, how AI is changing quality assurance. There is a lot of hype about AI, but in this series we will cut through the noise and get to the truth of what really matters for QA. In today's AI era, it's easy to see AI as a threat, especially with powerful tools like ChatGPT making headlines. Many QA engineers are asking themselves, will AI change everything? Could it replace my job? But here is the truth. A lot of that fear comes from the child inside us, the one who grew up watching movies where robots take over the world. The reality is very different, at least for now. AI is not here to replace us, it's here to assist us. So let us put aside the science fiction panic and instead use our greatest QA superpower, our critical mind, to really understand this subject. So let's take a closer look and see what AI actually means for QA. Before we go deeper, here is the full picture. We're going to walk through the main tasks of a QA engineer, from requirement analysis, test planning, and test design, all the way to regression, performance, security, and even continuous improvement. For each one, I will show you what AI can do, what testers bring, and where the balance lies. The goal isn't to say AI is the enemy, but to see clearly where AI can replace repetitive work, where it only assists us, and where the human role is absolutely irreplaceable. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next video. Ciao!